Cracking your back might feel satisfying, but does it actually harm your spine? The popping sound you hear isn't your bones breaking. It's just gas bubbles in your joints being released. Occasional back cracking is generally harmless, but if you do it too often or forcefully, it can strain ligaments, cause joint instability, and even lead to long-term misalignment. If you feel the need to crack your back frequently, it could be a sign of underlying muscle tension or spinal issues. Instead of self-adjusting, try stretching, strengthening your core, and seeing a chiropractor if needed. Your spine will thank you. Follow for more health tips. For health consultation, call us at 281-271-3888.